Alright, so I've been spending my weekend switching out the headlights. So that's stock. And this is my new LED light. So I just finished the passenger side, and I had to go through the wheel well to get up into the light housing to run the new wire for the blinker. But I want to show you what it looks like versus the difference. Okay, let's just show you the headlights first. And I'll show you the
My 99.9 today's best variety.
Sorry, I'll show you the blinker. Oh, I hooked up the outer LED light to the amber, so it provides a lot more visibility to the blinkers than just that one on the fender and the little bullet down below. And I'll show you what the right one looks like. Yeah, so that's going to make a big difference. And then I have just the parking lights on now, and look at that difference. And that's just the white outer ring of that. So I did have to Dremel out some of the housing. This is an 89 Mini, but I was able to just Dremel out the little metal shillings on the light, and it fits snug and it fits great. But it was a pain in my butt. It was really, I'm not an electrician, and it was really hard to, I tried to find the existing blinker wire to tie that into it, and I found it, but there was no getting it through the existing wire harness or grommet to get into the headlight. So I just drilled a tiny little hole, ran one little wire, and then I ran it up above the radiator housing, and so it's tucked in there nice. And here's my junction point for the blinker. But it was just a pain in the butt just to even get the red wire down into that existing grommet. They're so tight. So yeah, I'm sure I didn't do it perfect, but it worked, and it obviously works. So yeah, I'll show you what the finished one looks like when I'm done, and maybe some of the process. I don't know, maybe. I don't want everyone critiquing me on how crappy of a job I did. Okay, so this is what I had to drill off with the Dremel, and this is metal, but it's thin. Extra bit right here. Trying to get it to focus. I just trimmed that to be flush. So yeah, it comes nice. I got these from Stevenson Co. up in Vancouver, British Columbia. It took about a week to get here, but plugs and play, not bad. And then the white one is the amber, the red one is the white. I just took the red one and tied that into the existing high beam light. I took the amber one and tied that into my side marker blinker, and this just plugs right in. And so the ground is already hooked up within here. No big deal. Final test here. Got it done. Had a strip screw on the driver's side, so I had to run to Ace and get a tool, but and then I realized the first time I filmed I had the light bulb upside down, so I corrected that side, got that side in right. It does say .SAE right on top there, so that was pretty silly. I'll show you guys what this stuff looks like on now. Alright, so parking lights should be the outer white ring. That's successful. And if I was to turn the blinker on left, it turns it amber. So being small like this, you know, I want as much defense as I can get, because having 30 horsepower at 6,500 feet elevation, I don't have any offense. So when I bought the car, the horn didn't work. So I had my buddy Jason install me a horn, which the horn is normally right here. That doesn't work. We couldn't figure it out, so we just hooked this up. And that's my defense, along with these lights. And then all the way on, I'll show you what that is. Man, I can already tell how much brighter it is on the wall. But it'll be much easier to see me. And then high beams push out. And then it just activates the entire ring and all four. And again, with the blinkers on, that's a pretty cool feature that it turns it amber. All right, well, I got the garage all cleaned up and got it all buttoned up. There she is, new headlights. So 175 bucks, the kit, a little bit of work. Took me probably 5 hours total, I would say. Thanks, Stevenson Co. Appreciate it, buddy. Okay, bye.